Meaning of extension agent.
Extension agent.
Extension agent.
Extension agent.
Extension agent. An extension agent is a professional who works for a cooperative extension agency to provide education and resources to individuals, businesses, and communities. These agents act as a bridge between research and practical application, providing science-based information to farmers, homemakers, youth, and other groups. They may focus on areas such as agriculture, nutrition, or youth development. Extension agents typically work for state universities or the federal government and play an important role in disseminating knowledge to the public in order to promote economic, social, and environmental sustainability.